Now, President William Ruto says the national conversation on Kenya Beyond Vision 2030 will be guided by the Constitution. Speaking during the Katiba at 16 symposium, the head of state said the Constitution has already defined the destination of the nation and the success of the Vision Beyond 2030 will be measured by the quality of life enjoyed by Kenyans. Various government agencies, constitutional commissions, and independent officers that attended the symposium renewed their commitment to protect the Constitution.
Agosti mwaka 2010.
The second Katiba Day celebrations brought together the national government led by President William Ruto, county governments and constitutional bodies to reflect on the 16-year journey of implementing the 2010 Constitution. The independent bodies and Constitution Commission, while appreciating that the Constitution is as strong as the institutions implementing it, also lobbied for more budgetary allocation.
So we've seen issues when we raise audit reports in terms of improvements. We've seen changes in policies. We've seen amendments to laws. We've seen directives even from the National Treasury on accountability.
Do our institutions collaborate effectively when mandates intersect? Are there legal, financial, or administrative weaknesses that are preventing some institutions from fully performing their constitutional functions?
President William Ruto committed that the national conversation on Kenya Beyond Vision 2030 will be guided by the Constitution, and its success will be measured by the quality of life enjoyed by Kenyans.
Kenya Beyond 2030 must therefore be more than a new economic blueprint or a catalogue of projects. It must be a compact between the state and the citizen, between the present and the future, and between our national ambition and our collective responsibility.
The president spelled out interventions introduced by his administration for the last 4 years in translating the constitution obligations into practical benefits for the people.
More than 274,000 affordable homes are under construction, creating 1.1 million jobs. These interventions demonstrate that the promise of our new constitution is steadily becoming the lived experience of more Kenyans today than was the case before.
Further, the president promised to continue protecting judicial independence and separation of powers as envisaged in the Constitution.
How should courts protect rights while remaining attentive to institutional roles, public resources, and practical consequences of their decisions? Judicial independence is non-negotiable. Courts must remain free to interpret the Constitution, protect rights, and invalidate unlawful action.
Chief Justice Martha Koome called on all Kenyans to embrace the war against graft by refusing to give bribes to judicial officers. The Council of Governors Chairperson Ahmed Abdullahi appreciated the relationship between the national government and county governments had improved devolution through intergovernmental frameworks and agreements. As the president endeavors to have the national conversation beyond 2030 guided by the Constitution, every citizen is reminded to exercise liberty in a manner that will preserve constitutional order. Gishoki Washira from KICC, Nairobi.